So yeah, panel's gone, and it's a really simple panel to remove. One thumb screw on the back, and then it pops off. So you just grab a little tag and you pop it. This one here, it's the angled one. I'll move this back a little bit. This angled one, it actually has 2 screws at the top and 2 at the bottom. And this one over here, the other front panel, I can actually show you where the little clip is. Oh no, only the other side has a clip. So this one actually comes off with 2 screws, 1, 2, and then it releases.